Hello guys, welcome to Try With Me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the public beta or the test iOS software in your iPhone, any version. So I'm using iPhone 13 and let's see how to do it. All you have to do is first go to your browser and search for Apple Beta program. So you can see on the top. Anyways, I'll type it for you. Okay. So this is how you can see on the top. There is the Apple Beta software program. Okay. So click on Apple Beta software program. So you can see this is the Apple Beta software program. So it is saying help make the next release of iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, watchOS and HomePod software are best yet. So just scroll down. You have a sign up option. So sign up. So for me it's asking for my Apple ID. So I'm gonna confirm it. So you see. So once you have signed in, it will go to the menu. So you can see guide for public betas. So the Apple Beta software program lets you try pre-release software and provide feedback to help us make it even better. Okay, so you can see it is available for all other version, iOS, iPadOS, macOS, TV, watchOS, HomePod software and everything. So for us it's iOS. So what I'll do is, so see, you can see this is iOS 16. So all you have to do is click on the top and click on enroll your devices. You can see the first step is archive a backup. So it is totally based on you. So either you can or not, because sometimes it's better to make a backup so your data and files won't be deleted. And second thing is, so this is to install a profile. So there's nothing, this is on the official Apple website. So all you have to do is click on download profile. So I'll click on allow. So instead of, before doing allow, I'll show you what version I'm running on. So I'll go to my settings, I'll go to general, I'll go to software update. So you can see I'm running on iOS 16.2, that is the official stable version. So because I have to show you before doing this, so I'm going back. Now all I have to do is click on allow. So the profile is getting downloaded. So see, review the profile in settings app if you want to install it. Close it and then now go to settings again, come back. So you can see profile downloaded. So click on profile downloaded. So you can see this is asking you to see Apple Care profile signature certificate is verified. Okay, so there's nothing to worry there. So all you have to do is now click on install. So it's asking for a password. I'll enter my passcode. See, you can see this is the consent letter. So all I have to do is install. So click on install. So it's asking for restart, so it's not required. So just click on not now and click on done. So now go back and click on software update. You can see iOS 16.3, this is 5.12 GB. So you can download and install. So now I'm not going to download and install because I want to be in a stable version. So you can see this is my software update. I have not installed it and this is download and install. I'm not going to do that. So go back. So come down. So you can see VPN and device mesh. Okay, I'll show you from first. So go to settings, go to general, go to VPN and device management. You can see here iOS 16 and iPadOS 16 beta software. Go on this. So click on remove profile. So click on remove profile and then click on remove. So it's better to make a restart one. So I'll go for restart. So I'm restarting my device. So you can see here. So now go back to settings. So I'll show you the profile whether it's installed or not. So I'm going back to VPN device management. So see the profile is not installed. So to know how if it's removed or not, go to software update, Now check for update. You can see mine is on the stable version. Mine is not gone to the beta version. So this is how you remove the profile of beta. Even though if you have installed the software from here, that is iOS 16.0 any version, later you can come and remove the profile. So once the iOS 16, for example, if you have installed the iOS 16.3, for the next iOS 16.4, you will get the stable version. So that's how you remove the profile to get stable updates. Thank you for watching.